Hello guys, welcome to another video. So this is my Technic Lego Jeep set. I got this in the set. So the hood can't open here. It's the engine, you can see that. And the wheels are actually pretty good. That door can open. The steering wheel. Actually, if you look inside, you can see all those stuff. What I don't know what they're called. But then you can see inside. You can see the headlights. See, there is a hook right here. You can pull it out. Put this basket. See, you can pull that. Also, turn to the back. You see the backlights, and this thing right here is a piece that controls the front wheel. See that front wheel moving? I'm gonna hold this up. Yeah, and then the back wheels are pretty movable too. And so yeah, that is my Lego Technic Jeep that I got from the set. And also, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Bye.